Hi guys, this is Anjali bringing reading for Pisces, and this is going to be a general monthly reading for October 2020. And guys, this is a general reading, so please take it as it resonates. And energies can be vice versa, and cross watchers, you guys are also welcome. And those who haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Right? You can also now follow me in Instagram and in Facebook. And thank you so much for watching my videos. Now let's start with your reading. Messages for Pisces, please. Messages for Pisces for October 2020. Messages for Pisces for October 2020. What are the messages for Pisces for October 2020? Messages for Pisces. Alright. How many times did we get this card? I have no clue. The energy is gaining momentum. Things are moving a bit faster, or things will move a bit faster in October for you guys. Alright. It's picking up speed. Now. Oh wow. Okay. Okay, a new romantic cycle begins. All right, new moon in Libra, and we have emotions are running high, which is a super moon, right? So it looks like there is some kind of romantic situation happening here, and things are moving a bit faster. Excuse me, guys. So I really feel that there is a new romantic cycle beginning here, and emotions are running high. I really feel that this is somebody you already know. I really feel that this is somebody you already know or you have interest in. All right. Let's see. Messages for Pisces. Messages for Pisces, please. Messages for Pisces. Messages for Pisces. Messages. Excuse me. Messages for Pisces, please. What are messages for Pisces? Any more messages for Pisces? Your dreams need a practical plan. All right. Nice. Right, so put your thoughts into action, guys. So I really feel that you know who you want to be with, or there's somebody whom you like, but this is just in your thoughts here. So pick up speed and do something like a practical approach or something. All right. Four of Cups. You are lost in your own thoughts here with the Four of Cups. That is your own card. I really feel that you're concentrated on your own things, your feelings, and your current situation. I really feel that you are even being very stubborn here, right? And Five of Pentacles. So you might feel that somebody might have left you out in the cold here, and or somebody might have left you and still you are still in a place where you are unable to move forward here. Seven of Pentacles. So there was some kind of a less growth here, financially less growth, or there might be feeling you might feel that things are not moving fast enough, right? We have the Lovers here. So there is a new love interest coming into your life, all right? You have a Seven of Wands here. You're trying to win over a situation here. And with the King of Pentacles, it's like moving towards more stability here, all right? Excuse me. So we have Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Gemini, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So take it as it resonates, all right? So I really feel that you're moving towards a more secure, all right? Ten of Cups, happy life, happy energy. That's too much of happy energy here, right? Happy. So we have the King of Pentacles and the Ten of Cups. There is financial security, and I really feel that you're winning over something, or you feel that you had some kind of a competition, and you come on top. I really feel that you feel that you have won a situation or an argument here, and there is money coming towards you, bringing that financial stability with the King of Pentacles. And happily ever after card with the Ten of Cups looks like an ending of a cycle, huge cycle here, guys. Yeah, there is a commitment. There's a hierophant right there. So I really feel that you're moving towards more stable energy here with this person. You might feel that there is some kind of loss or some kind of a pattern here where you feel that you're not sure about it. But things are picking up speed here, right? There is low growth here. But once you meet this correct person, things are moving faster, all right? Now, Hierophant is a Taurus card. This can also be about, some kind of partnership, legal documents being signed, divorce or marriage. This can also be about meeting your soulmate here. All right. Now let's get more messages for you, Pisces. Messages for Pisces, please. What are the messages for Pisces? Messages for Pisces. What are the messages for Pisces? Messages for Pisces for October 2020. We have the Master here. Illumination. Awakening from within. Right? So this is like you getting messages from the divine. You are being awakened. Right? You have all the knowledge you need. You are enlightened from within. Right? Let's see. Messages for Pisces, please. Messages for Pisces. Messages for Pisces. Thunderbolt. Sudden changes. It's like complete shake-up of what's happening in your life. There are sudden changes happening here. Removal of old things and starting of something new, most probably. Or this might help you realize what you really want in life. This sudden shake-up is helping you see what you really want. Now we have the six of water here. That's the dream. You might see somebody in your dream, or you might feel that there is some kind of memories and nostalgia here, or you might feel that this person is your soulmate. This can be you thinking about them or them. All right. This can be also about. This can be also about you realizing that this person is your soulmate. Now we have exhaustion. This brings some kind of this sudden changes is bringing some kind of tiredness or exhaustion in your life, bringing that too much of heaviness into your heart, right? Then we have the Four of Pentacles here, holding on to something from the past, or you're being very miserly about things here. So let's see. Messages for Pisces, please. What are the messages for Pisces? The mind. There are so many things going inside your head here with the mind. Mind is all about the Page of Swords. So somebody's bringing some kind of clarity of thoughts because you are feeling so much of confused here. All right. So there is some kind of clarity coming towards you. Now let's see. Projections. There are. You might feel that there are things being projected, or you might feel that there are multiple options right in front of you and you can't put a finger to it. You can't feel that there is some kind of clarity here. No, we have nothingness here. All right. Again, my favorite card. So this means that you are starting from the fresh. There are the fresh beginnings here. There is something new here. So you're starting from the scratch here with the nothingness. All right, nothingness. Okay. Now let's see messages for Pisces. Messages for Pisces. Messages for Pisces, please. Messages for Pisces. We have sorrow here, Nine of Swords energy. So there is still some feeling of anxiety, pain, and sadness here. All right, let's see. Messages for Pisces. Completion. So this brings a completion to your cycle here. I really feel that this is going through. I really feel that you're missing somebody here. Clearly, there's you might be missing your soulmate, or you feel that you know this person, but you're not ready to move forward because you're very stubborn, aren't you? I really feel that you know who it says you want to start, but you do not know how. Bringing some kind of a completion into a cycle, you're putting all the pieces together. All right. When you know, you know. Right. Let's see messages for Pisces, please. Can I get two more messages for Pisces? Can I get two more messages for Pisces, please? Excuse me. We have creativity. The Empress here, right here, all right? Bring starting of something new, birth of a child, birth of a new idea as well. And we have the inner voice. What do you know? High Priestess. So I feel that there is the birthing of something new and you know who it is, or there is some kind of information being given to you. This can also mean that you are guided. Sorry about that. Now we have creativity and inner voice coming together, three major arcanas together. So I really feel that there is a completion of a cycle and there is a fresh start here, and you are being guided by the divine with with the inner voice. All right. Now let's get more clarity here, guys. Pisces messages for Pisces. Messages for Pisces. The great gathering. It's all coming together. Intuitive hits. So try. So which clearly say that things are coming together, right? As time moves on, things are coming together. And where are you being called to journey to? Which means that you know which way to move forward. So you have to understand. This is like a soul understanding, soul knowledge, which means that you know which which I feel that you know which direction you need to move forward here, or you need to find out. Fill up your well, rest, retreat, and refuel, which means that this is the time to release old patterns, bring some energy back into your life, right, and restart again. All right. Now let's see messages for Pisces. Let's get some Lenormand and finish up your reading. All right. Messages for Pisces for October 2020. All right. There we go. Okay. Mhm. So we have two negative cards here, or feel that there are two main cards we need to focus on. That is the cross here, right? First card and the last card, which means that the first card is that there is some kind of burden here, all right? Which means that there is some kind of burden in a situation, or there's bridge next to the cross here, which clearly says that there is a burden in this journey here, and you need to look close into this journey which is bringing that burden. Fine. Now there is a connectivity here, but what you need to do is that look about this burden or whatever you are which is holding you back more closely. You might find something there. All right. Now we have the love here. All right, love and sun, which means that there is some kind of illumination, or there is some kind of new love interest coming into your life. There's some this is the divine masculine energy, and I really feel that you might meet your soulmate here, which is like clearly mirroring here, right? And then we have the mask here, so you might even feel that this person is wearing a mask, or you are unable to see their true self, or you are being the one who is not sharing here, and you are the one who's wearing a mask here. So you need to look closely why you are wearing the mask, or why there's somebody who's wearing the mask here. All right. Now with the sun and the bridge here, I really feel that there is some kind of connection which is going to go happy. I mean, there's a happy journey here. So I really feel that this might be a good connection. This might be a connection which brings some kind of happiness to you, but still there's some kind of burden. So I really feel that this is all about love. The connection is all about love, and I really feel that this is burdening your love life as well. So I really feel that you need to look closely into a situation here. All right. So I really feel that this is your reading for you guys for October 2020. I really hope you liked it. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.